The world's largest container ship, developed and built in China, embarked on its maiden voyage from Ningbo Zhoushan Port in East China's Zhejiang province on Saturday. The massive vessel has a total length of more than 399 meters, a molded width of over 61 meters, and a molded depth of over 33 meters. It is equivalent of the height of a 22-story building. The ship carried more than 5,000 20-foot equivalent units from the port, including auto parts, intelligent household electrical appliance, furniture, daily necessities, and textiles.